Hey everyone, I'm Steph from Sitemate. Paper-based permit-to-work systems are admin-intensive, requiring physical or emailed permit requests with little visibility into work schedules. Dashpivot's electronic permit-to-work application provides visibility of planned, active, and closed permits while maintaining centralized control over authorization with electronic workflows and approvals. So, in this video, I'll show you how Dashpivot ensures high-risk work activities are safely managed with controls to prevent interference from other crews or operations. In Dashpivot, you can create a permit template entirely from scratch or choose from our public template library, which offers many ready-to-use templates. I'll run a search at the top here for permits, and you'll be able to see the various options that we currently have. You can preview the format before adding it to your workspace, and remember that everything that you see here is fully customizable once it's been added into your account. Let's use the confined space permit as the example for this video. You can easily create a permit in your team folders. Our standard confined space permit template includes fields such as multiple choice lists, tables for checklists and test results, yes/no questions with conditional logic, and a worker sign-on and approval signatures scattered throughout the form. Once saved, the permit will be shown in a workflow view sorted by the various stages, just like this. In this workflow view, our template is designed so that the form will progress through various stages with automatic notifications to alert relevant parties. In this example, you could set up columns for when a permit has been drafted, verified, relinquished, and then finally closed, each with its own notification ensuring that the relevant people always stay informed. Forms advance to the next workflow stage through the approval signature fields within the template itself. Once they have been signed, the form will move along the workflow process. Permits are automatically compiled into a register, where the information from all of these forms can be viewed in a table format. You can also use the filters at the top of the columns to find specific permits and export the data as a PDF or CSV format. Within the template editor, you can adjust yes/no/NA questions and list fields with conditional logic so that depending on the answer that is selected in the form, this will then display additional fields. In this example here with the yes/no field, if the answer selected is yes, then an additional table will appear. Formulas can also be implemented in the template editor to automate calculations, display values, and much more. You can also reference multiple tables to create a summary table just like the one we have here. You can also implement logic for approval signatures to specify who can sign off at different stages. This feature provides you with greater control over your documents. In this example for the closure signature, I can set that only organization controllers have the ability to sign off. The lists module can also be used as a database with various properties such as expiration dates, where you can choose to be notified when a set date is approaching. Lists can also be linked and used as drop-down lists or multiple choice lists in your template forms, such as this PPE list that we have here. With this list being linked to the permit, we can then see it directly here on the form. Information captured can also be analysed further using the analytics available at the team folder and home folder level. In this example here, we have a chart looking at the breakdown of each confined space permit, summarising what proportions of the permit are open and closed. If you need external personnel to sign off on your documents, they can be added to your Dashpivot workspace in the Users section underneath the Visitors tab. With this, you can control their permissions and access similar to how you would with your internal team. Permits can be created and submitted using our Dashpivot mobile app. The forms are organised in a workflow, just like on the web access. You can continue to work on existing forms or create a new one using the green plus button. The Dashpivot app also includes a contactless sign-in process. Simply click one button to scan the workers on with their free Sitemate ID straight onto the permit. This will then populate into a table their name, company, signature, date, time, and location of where they've been scanned. Workers scanned using this free Sitemate ID will also receive a read-only copy of the form straight on their device. Drawings or any PDF files that have been attached to a form can also be marked up using the app. This is useful for signing, highlighting, or annotating specific parts of the document. Once completed, if you need to share a copy of this document straight away, you don't need to have a computer to export it. Instead, you can send it as a PDF file via email directly through the app. The mobile and tablet app works offline and is available on both iOS and Android devices, making this process even more accessible for all personnel involved. Dashpivot can be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced to external tools such as SharePoint, Excel, and Power BI using our integration product, FlowSite. With this, you can seamlessly transfer your permit data from Dashpivot to your preferred data storage or other tools. Try Dashpivot for electronic permits to work today using our sign up link and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.